Damn! What you glad?
What if you could edit video just by describing it? No complicated tools, no rigid prompts, just pure creativity. Imagine turning natural language into cinematic video scenes in seconds. That's what we're exploring today. Welcome to AI Builders Academy. I'm Fred. Learn, build, and innovate with AI. In this episode, we're diving into Higgsfield Kling O1, the world's first unified multimodal video engine. Higgsfield is one of the fastest growing Gen AI companies, built with one mission: to be the most creator-friendly platform. Using its powerful MVL architecture, Kling O1 blends language, visuals, and motion into a single creative process. That means your natural descriptions become rich, coherent video scenes. Describe a character, reference an image, mix styles, combine shots. Kling O1 understands the full context and delivers cinematic output. Before we start, you'll find the link in the description below. You can click on it directly or simply open your Chrome browser or any browser you prefer and search for Higgsfield AI. Once you land on the homepage, you'll see the option to create an account. It only takes a minute, and once you're signed in, you'll unlock all the features Higgsfield has to offer. When you explore the site, you'll notice Higgsfield has more than just video. You'll see an image generator, a video generator, and even advanced models like Nano, Banana Pro, Sora, and Veo 3.1 available right inside the platform. As you scroll down, you'll see project photos, feature highlights, and examples of what you can build. This gives you inspiration and shows you the creative power waiting for you. Now, let's focus on the newest feature, Kling O1 Edit. This is where the real magic happens. I'll show you step by step how to use it to edit and create videos. As we scroll down, you'll see more photos, more features, and options you can experiment with. If you're just testing, you can start with the free plan, but if you want to unlock more power, you'll see the list of subscription plans. The basic plan starts at just $9 per month, so you can choose the level that fits your workflow. Let's begin with our first generation. I'll upload a photo of a boy and a girl, then I'll write a simple prompt. I need this boy and girl to play together and be happy. That's it. You can also choose the duration and frame ratio for your video. Once I hit generate, we wait just a few seconds, and boom, it's done. A fully generated video, created from a single photo and a natural description. You can see how smooth and realistic it looks. For the second prompt, I'll upload a photo of a donkey and a ball. This time I'll write, I need this donkey to play football together with the ball. Again, just a few seconds later, boom, it's done. The donkey moves naturally, the ball is part of the scene, and the video feels coherent. This shows how Kling O1 can take even simple ideas and turn them into cinematic clips. But Kling O1 doesn't stop there. You can sketch to video, you can draw to video, or even draw to edit existing footage. These advanced features give you creative freedom to experiment and bring your ideas to life. Imagine drawing a rough outline and watching it transform into a moving scene, or uploading a simple photo and extending it into a full video sequence. That's the kind of creative power you get here. Now, let's click into the edit mode. I'll upload a photo of a girl and a lion. After finishing that, I'll upload another photo of the boy and girl. Then I'll write a prompt. I need that boy and girl to play together. Within seconds, Kling O1 generates a new video that looks cinematic and coherent. It's fast, it's intuitive, and it's reliable. You can see how the characters remain consistent, how the environment stays stable, and how the story flows naturally from one shot to the next. As you keep exploring, you'll notice more features as you scroll down the page. You'll see photos of projects, examples of edits, and demonstrations of what other creators have built. You can try different prompts, upload different photos, and experiment with durations and frame ratios. Every time you generate, you'll discover new possibilities. And if you want to go further, you can subscribe to unlock more. The free plan lets you test and experiment, but the basic plan at $9 per month gives you more generations and more flexibility. Higher plans unlock unlimited generations, which means you can create as much as you want without limits. That's perfect for professional creators who need to iterate quickly and produce content consistently. So let's recap the workflow. You start by creating an account, explore the features, scroll down to see examples, choose your plan, upload your photos, write your prompts, select duration and frame ratio, and hit generate. In seconds, you'll have cinematic video clips ready to use. Whether it's a boy and girl playing happily, a donkey kicking a football, or a girl standing with a lion, Kling O1 makes it possible. This is Fred from AI Builders Academy. Learn, build, and innovate with AI. Subscribe for more tutorials, and let's keep building the future together.
Hey there, big